Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. It's Sunday. Robin and I have already been to our market, and we're going to get a wave hello from Robin over across the room. We did our shopping last week of the month. Things are tight. But this week is exciting because Tuesday is my last meal day. The last couple days I actually took off. Didn't cook, didn't do anything. You just barely saw me on the internet. And today, I'm actually doing one of my family favorites. Yes, I'm repeating a recipe, but oh well. My kitchen, my rules. Let's get to it. We just call this simply Chili Mac. Jenny O ground turkey, Hormel mac and cheese, pico de gallo, and a packet of McCormick Original Taco Seasoning Mix. Cook it. Less than 15 minutes, I have a meal. Been a staple in my house for years. So, yes, I'm repeating a meal. I want comfort food today. Because the next several days, including Tuesday, my last meal day, is going to, this is the marathon. This is the sprint to the finish. So, on this Sunday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.